I would like to thank the Consumer Association of Pakistan for inviting me to be part of 4th Healthcare Conference. As you know that Consumer Association of Pakistan is a non-government and non-profit organization and is worked by all volunteers individuals with the goal of improving quality of life of people and this nation. And for this, we are very extremely grateful to Mr. Kaukab Iqbal for his dynamic leadership. Gentlemen, coming to the health care, which is very crucial for everyone, that it's a truly very precious commodity on the earth. With good health, anything become possible. Without it, getting out of bed can seem be insurmountable challenge. Good health is a foundation for individual to fulfill their potential and communities to prosper and nation to thrive. And the global health is a very scarce commodity, which is a very much fundamental right of every individual. Gentlemen, after beginning of COVID pandemic, we all are aware that diseases pattern are always changing, and so are the needs and demands of our population. We have to see how we have seen that how pandemic has bring economies and nation to their knees. This is why committing to improve the healthcare system of Pakistan, the need of the hour, and exactly what Dr. Ziauddin Hospital and Ziauddin University are working towards. Ladies and gentlemen, this mission of Dr. Ziauddin Hospital and University was started with Sir Dr. Ziauddin Ahmed, who was a visionary, humanitarian, academician, and a philosopher, who was a renowned mathematician and a politician. He was also one of the active figures who laid the foundation of Pakistan movement. Today, his eminent grandson, Dr. Asim Hussain, Chairman Dr. Ziauddin Hospital and Chancellor of Ziauddin University, is taking forward the vision of Sir Dr. Ziauddin Ahmed to benefit the world in a very, very positive way. Ziauddin Group itself stands as a symbol of reliability and quality in Pakistan healthcare sector, with a vision to provide affordable and state-of-the-art healthcare services for every citizen of Pakistan. The university, on the other hand, has a faculty of health and sciences and provides academic education in numerous subjects related to healthcare, medicine, and medical technology. Gentlemen minded, right in Karachi, we have 6 hospitals and a huge university complex there at Link Road, and a hospital at Sakkar and a hospital at Islamabad are under construction. It's all due to the tremendous effort by Dr. Asim Hussain to help evolve the healthcare of Pakistan that we all are proud to be part of Ziauddin Group. However, we still have a long way to go. In the coming years, we will continue to invest in healthcare, and soon we will be able to achieve the sustainable development goals set by United Nations. Let's work together for a healthier world so we can play a role in improving the lives of billions of people. It's our job as a leader and as a human being. Thank you.